America doesn't build its concrete highways in the regular way you think. These roads are laid by genius machines using lasers, automation, and precision systems strong enough to hold 40-ton trucks for decades. Once you see how this really works, normal road construction will look primitive. In the United States, concrete plays a massive role in the highway system. Nearly a third of major highways are built using concrete pavement, which is because concrete is designed for endurance, not just smoothness. Concrete roads can last up to twice as long as asphalt before needing major reconstruction. They handle extreme heat better, and they resist deformation under heavy truck traffic, and over the decades, they often cost less to maintain. That's why major freight corridors and interstates rely heavily on concrete. These roads are not built for comfort first, they are built for survival. Before any concrete is poured, the real engineering happens underground. The soil beneath a highway is treated like the foundation of a skyscraper. Engineers analyze soil strength, moisture levels, and load-bearing capacity. Weak soil is then removed or stabilized. Grading machines shape the land to precise elevations. Laser-guided systems ensure slopes and drainage are exactly correct. Every inch of soil is compacted using massive vibratory rollers. This compaction increases density and prevents future settling. Water trucks carefully controlling moisture to help soil particles bind properly. Sensors and field tests confirm that the ground meets strict engineering tolerances. If the foundation fails, the road fails. So the base must be stronger than the traffic it will ever carry. Above the soil sits the road base, a critical but invisible layer. Crushed stone is spread in thick, uniform layers. This stone distributes weight from the concrete down into the earth. Heavy steel rollers compress the stone until it becomes rock solid. Multiple layers may be added depending on the climate and truck traffic. Each pass of the roller increases strength and reduces voids. Laser surveying tools verify thickness and flatness. This base acts like a shock absorber for the concrete slab. It reduces cracking and improves long-term durability. Without this layer, even the strongest concrete would eventually fail. This is where long-lasting roads are truly made. Concrete does not arrive at a job site by accident. It is produced in highly controlled industrial batching plants. Crushed stone, sand, cement, water, and chemical additives are stored separately, and each material is weighed with extreme precision. Computer systems control every batch. Water is measured to exact volumes. Admixtures adjust strength, setting time, and workability. High-power mixers blend everything into a uniform material. The final concrete must meet strict performance standards, and ready-mix trucks are loaded and dispatched quickly. Concrete has a limited working window, as timing is everything. This is where the real stars appear. Slipform concrete pavers are massive, robotic machines. Some stretch over 30 meters long. They move slowly, but with extreme precision. Concrete is fed into the front hopper continuously. Inside, augers spread the material evenly, and vibrators remove air pockets and increase density. The slipform mold shapes the slab in one continuous motion. Laser and GPS systems control height and alignment. The machine literally prints a concrete highway in real time. No form, no stops, just continuous precision. Concrete alone is strong in compression but weak in tension. That's why steel reinforcement is added. Dowel bars are inserted automatically during paving. These steel rods connect one slab to the next. They transfer weight between slabs and reduce cracking at joints. The machine places them at exact depths and spacing. No human hands touch most of this process. It is fully automated. This hidden steel skeleton is what gives concrete highways their strength. It allows roads to survive decades of heavy traffic. Fresh concrete is fragile. If it dries too fast, it becomes weak. So curing compounds are sprayed immediately to seal in moisture. It allows the cement to hydrate properly. Strength develops over days and weeks. Expansion joints are cut to control cracking. These joints allow the road to expand and contract with temperature. Special sealants keep water and debris out. This prevents freeze-thaw damage in cold climates. Curing is where durability is locked in. Before a road opens, engineers test everything. Concrete samples are crushed to test strength, and surface flatness is measured with lasers. Joint alignment is inspected, and thickness is verified. Drainage is checked, and if any section that fails is repaired or replaced. Highways must meet strict federal and state standards. These roads are built for decades of abuse. There is no room for shortcuts. The final product is certified for heavy traffic. Modern highway construction uses technology that feels futuristic. 3D machine control systems guide graders automatically. GPS networks provide centimeter-level accuracy. Smart sensors monitor compaction density, and concrete mix designs are optimized with software modeling. Digital twins simulate road performance over time, and drones survey construction progress. Data analytics predict maintenance needs years in advance. Highways are now a data-driven infrastructure. This is civil engineering in the digital age. Modern concrete highways are no longer passive slabs of stone. Researchers and state transportation agencies are now experimenting with smart concrete systems. These systems embed tiny sensors directly inside the pavement. The sensors measure stress, temperature, vibration, and micro-cracking. This allows engineers to monitor road health in real time. Instead of waiting for visible damage, maintenance crews can respond early. This prevents small cracks from becoming expensive failures. Some systems even transmit data wirelessly to highway management centers. This turns roads into self-reporting infrastructure, and it changes road maintenance from reactive to predictive. Over time, this can save millions in repair costs. It also improves safety by catching weak spots before accidents happen. Artificial intelligence is now shaping how highways are planned before construction even begins. Machine learning models analyze traffic flow, weather patterns, and soil data. They simulate how a road will perform over decades, and AI can recommend optimal slab thickness and joint spacing. It can predict where cracking is most likely to occur. This allows engineers to reinforce vulnerable zones in advance. AI also helps optimize material usage. This reduces waste and lowers project costs. Some state agencies now use AI to schedule maintenance years ahead. This improves budgeting and reduces emergency closures. Highways are becoming digitally designed systems, not just physical ones. Concrete production is energy intensive. Because of this, the industry is under pressure to reduce emissions. New low-carbon cement blends are being introduced. These blends replace some traditional cement with industrial byproducts. Fly ash and slag are commonly used substitutes. This lowers carbon emissions without reducing strength. Some projects now use carbon-cured concrete. This process injects captured CO2 into fresh concrete, and the CO2 becomes permanently locked inside the slab. This improves strength while reducing environmental impact. Highways are becoming part of the climate strategy. Infrastructure is now being designed to meet sustainability targets. One of the most promising innovations is self-healing concrete. This material contains bacteria or chemical capsules inside the slab. When cracks form, moisture activates the healing agents. The bacteria produce limestone that fills the cracks. This can seal microfractures automatically. It prevents water from entering and causing more serious damage. While still expensive, pilot projects are underway, and self-healing concrete could dramatically extend road lifespan. It could reduce maintenance closures and repair costs. This technology turns roads into living materials, and the pavement itself becomes part of the maintenance system. Highway inspection is also being automated. Robotic vehicles now scan pavement surfaces at highway speeds. High-resolution cameras detect tiny surface defects, and laser scanners measure texture and roughness. AI software classifies damage types automatically. This removes the need for slow manual inspections. Some systems can even recommend repair methods instantly. Future maintenance vehicles may patch cracks autonomously. This reduces labor risks and traffic disruptions. Robots can work at night and in dangerous zones. Maintenance becomes faster, safer, and more precise. Concrete highways are being redesigned for harsher climates. Heat waves, freeze-thaw cycles, and flooding are increasing. New concrete mixes resist thermal expansion better. Special fibers are added to improve crack resistance. Drainage systems are engineered for heavier rainfall. Some roads include permeable shoulder systems to reduce flooding. In cold regions, frost-resistant bases are expanded. Salt-resistant concrete is used in snowy climates, which prevents corrosion of embedded steel. Highways are being hardened against climate extremes, and infrastructure is now designed for a changing environment. Experimental highways are now testing electric charging systems that embed inductive charging coils in the pavement. Electric vehicles can charge while driving. This reduces the need for large onboard batteries. It also reduces charging downtime. Pilot projects exist in several countries. US research programs are studying long-distance freight corridors. If successful, highways could become power grids on wheels. This would transform long-haul trucking. It would also reduce range anxiety for drivers. The road itself becomes an energy delivery system. Transportation agencies now build digital replicas of real highways. These are called digital twins. They mirror real-world conditions in a virtual model. Sensors feed live data into the simulation. Engineers can test repair strategies virtually first. They can simulate heavy traffic or extreme weather. This helps prevent costly mistakes. Digital twins improve long-term planning accuracy. They also help train new engineers. Highways now exist both physically and digitally. Infrastructure management has entered the simulation era. Road construction is changing who does the work. Fewer workers are needed for heavy physical labor. More workers operate machines and manage digital systems. Technicians now monitor sensors and control equipment remotely. What we build today supports tomorrow's transportation revolution. So the next time you're driving down a concrete highway, remember this: you're not just on a road, you're on a machine. Machine built with lasers, robots, steel skeletons, and engineering precision. A machine designed to survive decades of pressure, heat, and weight. A machine that quietly supports everything from food deliveries to national defense. Most people never think about what's beneath their tires, but now you know. And once you see the genius behind America's concrete roads, you realize something bigger. What do you think about the machines shaping America's infrastructure? Let us know in the comments section, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what hidden technology you want to see next. Because the world around you is far more advanced than it looks.